Good morning, students. In the chapter Legislature of Political Science, today we discuss the topic how does the Parliament make laws? We all know that the basic function of any legislature is to make law for its people. At national level, Parliament makes the law. At state level, state legislature make the law. A definite procedure is followed in the process of making law. How the bill will become a law? There is a fixed procedure, a certain procedure which is mentioned in the constitution. All the legislatures has to follow that procedure while making law for the nation or the state. Some of the procedure of law making are mentioned in the constitution, while some have evolved from conventions. Some procedures already discussed or specified in the constitution how law can make, or some procedures of law making develop from the conventions or the discussions or meetings. Follow a bill through the legislature process. If we will look or examine the legislative process from a bill to a law, it is clear that law making process is technical and even tedious. It is not easy process. Technically, law making process involve many technical procedures. Even before a bill is introduced in the parliament, first of all, bill introduced in the parliament, when bill pass from both houses and get the consent of president, it become a law. Before presenting the bill in parliament, there may be a lot of debate in the need of introducing such a bill. Like presently in India, there are lots of debatings to introduce a bill to control the population. Sometimes debates or discussions started among the peoples on the news channels, among all the political parties on the need of introducing a bill. A political party also may pressurize the government to initiate a bill in order to fulfill its election promises. यदि किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ने इलेक्शन के टाइम में लोगों से वादा किया है किसी पर्टिकुलर बिल को लाने के लिए, when government is formed by their party, that party also pressurize the government, and opposition party or ruling party as well as opposition party pressurize the government और टू इम्प्रूव द चांस ऑफ विनिंग फोर्थ कमिंग इलेक्शंस, ताकि वो बिल पास हो जाता है तो नेक्स्ट इलेक्शन में उनके जीतने के चांस बढ़ जाते हैं. सो टू फुलफिल देयर पॉलिटिकल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स और एम्स ऑल्सो, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज प्रेशराइज द गवर्नमेंट टू इनिशिएट अ बिल. rather than political parties, interest groups, media and citizens forums may also persuade the government for a particular legislation, for a particular law. Lawmaking is thus not merely a legal procedure but also a political course of action. Lawmaking not only deals with the legal procedures, it also involves the political actions. Today, in modern times, all the bills initiated with the political interest. The preparation of a bill itself involves many considerations, such as resource. First, whenever a bill is prepared, many considerations such as resource required to implement the law. बिल को प्रिपेयर करने से पहले कुछ मेन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखा जाता है. All these things are considered. रिसोर्स रिक्वायर्ड टू इम्प्लीमेंट द लॉ, किन रिसोर्स की जरूरत पड़ेगी उस लॉ को इंप्लीमेंट करने के लिए. द सपोर्ट और अपोजिशन दैट बिल इज लाइकली टू प्रोड्यूस. नो बिल कैन बी पास विदाउट द सपोर्ट ऑफ लेजिस्लेचर. सो support or opposition also considered before prepared a bill. The impact that the law making have on the electoral prospect on the ruling party. उस बिल के पास होने से, लॉ बनने से आने वाले इलेक्शंस के अंदर रूलिंग पार्टी के ऊपर क्या असर पड़ेगा, इम्पैक्ट, व्हाट विल बी द इम्पैक्ट on the electoral future of the ruling party of that law. So these things are considered. First of all, resource, second, support or opposition, and third, electoral impact or ruling party. These three considerations done before preparation of a bill. In the era of coalition, politics, especially after 1990s, era of coalition is take place in India. A bill proposed by the government has to be acceptable to all the partners of coalition. When two or more than two parties come together and form a government, such government is known as coalition. So suppose a coalition government is formed by four parties. So these are four partners in this government. Whenever a bill is introduced in the parliament, it must be accepted by the all partners, otherwise other partners will not support. Such a practical consideration can hardly be ignored. Ruling party, major party cannot ignore the coalition partners. जिसकी रूलिंग पार्टी जो मेजर पार्टी होती है, इसलिए कोई भी बिल लाने से पहले अपने पार्टनर्स के साथ भी डिस्कस करती है. The cabinet consider all this before arriving at a decision to enact a law. The cabinet ministers discuss in a meeting that it bill should be introduced or not to become a law in the parliament. Mainly we follow a definite procedure. That procedure is here. Some people also discuss or want, mainly citizens want to produce a bill in the parliament. So political parties or MPs or ministers get an idea from there, then they give, then committee discuss about that bill. That bill can be introduced in either house. In case of non-money bill, money bill can be introduced only in Lok Sabha, but non-money bill can be either in the house. It can be introduced in Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. Then that house, particular house, will send the bill to the committees, discuss in the house itself. First of all, bill will be introduced in the house, then bill will send to the committee. Different committees are there in both houses. That committee will discuss about that bill, then committee will give the report. House may or may not accept that report. House is not forced to accept the report of committee. House उसकी रिपोर्ट को accept भी कर सकता है, नहीं भी accept कर सकता है. Detailed discussion of bill in the house. Again, that house will discuss about on the report given by the committees regarding that bill. Then there will be voting. Bill will be accept or reject after the voting. If it is accepted, then sent to the other house. Suppose it is accepted by the Lok Sabha, then it will send to the Rajya Sabha. Or it is accepted by Rajya Sabha, then it will send to the Lok Sabha. Then again, other house approve or give recommendations. Other house can be approve it or can give some recommendations. If in both houses are not agree with each other, bill is not passed by both houses, then there will joint session of both houses in parliament will called. Or if one house is passed, then bill will be sent to another house. If second house is also passed the same bill, then bill will sent to the president for their approval. If president sign the bill, then it will become a law. So this is a procedure. It will start from the bill and last it will end at the law. This is a procedure how the bill become a law. That's all for today, students.